Want to know how to export a Trello board? You would want to export the Trello board as it allows you to create a backup of your Trello data and information outside of Trello. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to export a Trello board. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the Trello app on your screen. Then open any board you wish to export. Now tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Likewise, tap on the export icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you can see multiple mediums through which you can export your Trello board. Now choose according to your preference. So this is how you can export your Trello board. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.